Chicken curry on the menu tonight. So we have chicken seasoned with salt, pepper, paprika, and cumin cooking away. Now this is the exact color you want your chicken to be when you're browning it. Onions and carrots. Next, add our chickpeas. Last is the garlic and ginger. Next, we're gonna add in all our spices. That's paprika. Once that's all incorporated, we're gonna add 1.5 cups of rice. Next, 1 cup of coconut milk. 1 cup of low sodium chicken stock. And 1 cup of water. Next, we gotta bring this baby up to a boil. You wanna put the chicken back in. Now that we brought it to a boil, we're gonna bring it down to a simmer. We're gonna cover it, and then we're gonna cook this for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm also making a quick topping, which is Greek yogurt, mascarpone cheese, thyme, parsley, salt, pepper, garlic, and a little bit of lemon. All right, let's check on it. Look, the rice is absorbing all that delicious liquid. We're getting there. Fluff up the rice. See if it's cooked. See if all the liquid is absorbed.